Okay, so we're going to set up a Wolfram Alpha account, and then we're going to get you practicing learning the Wolfram Alpha language. Okay, so next we're going to do our sign in. We go to sign in, we click on the sign in Wolfram, and that'll take us to this place where we don't have an ID, so we're going to create one. You're going to use your Montessori ID. Here I'm using demo 6 at sterlingmontessori.org. I'm going to use that. Okay, next you're going to have to go to your Gmail account, and you'll click on the link. You'll get an email from Wolfram Mathematica, and you'll click on it to verify your account. Okay, so now we're ready to go to the full interactive course. Okay, so we find that, and that's what it looks like. And if you scroll down, you're going to see that there's actually a course that you can take. Sign up for the free course. So that's what we want to do. Click on sign in to start free course. And then here's the course, and you'll see that there's sections for the book, the transcript, and the exercises. So you read the book, but then want to do the exercises. And let's see what happens. So you click. So I've clicked in the exercise 1.6, 10 to the 12th. I have to do shift enter, and then I do checking. I click on it, I can check my answer. Okay, so to get the expression that you write to be evaluated, you have to do shift enter. So now I go down, you see where it says input 4, compute 3 raised to 12. So I'm going to do 3 raised to 12, 56 power. Oh, that's not an ampersand. I need to do inside parentheses, so I want the exponent to be 7 times 8, 7 star 8. I'm going to hit shift enter. Okay, so I get a great big number. Check my solution. Have to tap a couple times, but now it's checking, and we get to see. Okay, so if you look on the left, you'll see there's all kinds of units that you can do. So if you have any trouble, just write to me, sterlingmontessori.org, Tom Keeler, and I can make a video like this one. So this has been made with Explain Everything, which is something that we're going to encourage you also as part of the math class to be able to use.